great mail call from Will It Grow?
Can you hear if it's ticking?
No, it's not ticking.
Mr. John, it came with a sticker that said it arrived damaged. We don't know if there's anything missing or anything, but we'll be able to open it together.
Stay tuned to the end for an update on the case of Bunkie versus Will It Grow.
To the Vineyard family, here's a gift to you for being great people and great sports. Your efforts at such a young age really does inspire me. The three of you can and are showing the world that growing food can be done at all ages. Thank you for being a part of Shed Wars. Now, here are the rules. Each one of you must open their own section, and yes, that includes Mom and Dad. If you break the rules, I will penalize you.
Uh-oh.
I hope you enjoy the gift, and please keep up the great work. Best regards, Mr. John. Go ahead.
It's a t-shirt.
I'm putting a nightgown on you. She'll grow into it
I'll go in
in a
it.
few years. In a month.
Ooh, the jacket's clean.
It just fell.
And a hat! It's a hat!
Your sticker fell.
Oh, and the stickers!
This is gonna
Thank
go
you,
on
Mr. John. We're putting this on our Miss Gail sticker board. We're going to.
Your turn.
Hey, Teddy. Did she get a hat too?
Ooh.
She got a hat too.
This is really cool. Oh, that's something. Ooh.
Oh,
I like the color. Black and a white. No, there's something in it.
We're putting this on a sticker board.
Ooh,
Oh,
this is
Tree's
really cool.
sticker is.
I like the logo.
He put an exclamation, a backwards exclamation point.
No, that's an eye.
Whoa, you got a blue one.
Yes.
Oh,
Ooh, it's colorful.
wow, it's
There's
colorful.
a shark on the back.
Oh, wow, there's a shark on the back. This.
Ooh.
Would you guys think it was sticker?
I think it might help all.
No, don't take it off.
Really cute.
Yeah, I really like this. We got it.
Wow.
Oh, Mom,
These are
and
cool.
one
Thank you.
extra.
Sorry, but Mom and Dad would not participate in the videos.
So we're gonna show what Mom and Dad's are.
This is yours.
Oh.
Which one's one was mine?
To show the
So what does it say?
Mom plus one extra treat below.
What is it?
Ooh, it's a long sleeve. Mama will love this.
Yeah, Mom and Dad will love
Ooh, careful. Ooh.
it. Dang, that's
Now we're
nice.
matching shirts.
Oh, you have your sweater too. Oh, Mom and Dad got a sweater too.
The best.
It's the best.
No, it's a vest.
Oh,
Good
Dad.
for Dad.
Straw hats.
Oh, I know exactly what to do about it.
Oh, Dad will love this.
Oh, it's got a logo on it. There's something in my face.
Oh, and he got a sweater. And he got his jacket.
Oh, take it out.
That's,
Careful.
oh, it was on me.
Oh, it was on. On YouTube, didn't even notice.
What?
It's a beanie.
It's a beanie.
I love you.
Mr. John, this is so generous of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This stick is
amazing.
really nice.
If you guys haven't checked out Mr. John at Will It Grow, we strongly recommend you go there. He has some really interesting videos about shed wars and gardening. And we'll attach a link to the description.
This is really nice, Mr. John. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For an update on the case of Bunkie versus Will It Grow.
Mr. John, this is amazing. Christmas came early. Thank you so much.
We have merchandise coming in about a week, and we'll try to bless you with them too.
And we know Mrs. Willigrow is involved too, because the colors and the choices are perfect for each of us.
Despite these amazing gifts and Trie and I talking with Bunkie, she has not agreed to withdraw her case.
I love the presents, Mr. John, but my science teacher and some of us and a lot of our subscribers say that counting and data should be part of gardening.
So we'll put it out to a vote. Check out our community page to let Bunkie know what you think and vote.
It's not about the penalty, Mr. John. It's about doing the right thing, and counting is very important.
I know I've said it before and I will say it again. If you haven't seen it, if you haven't met him, please go check out Mr. John at Will It Grow. He is a really awesome dude. He does oyster farming, he does canning, he does really great gardening. He's amazing. So please go check him out if you don't know him. We'll put a link in the description below to his channel.
Thank you,
so much,
Mr.
John.
John.